Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Hope you are all fine. This is Sir Mohsin Ahmed Siddiqui, and you are watching APS Mohsin Ahmed Siddiqui. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. And using the basically practice, and in the previous lesson, we have did lesson number 1, 2, and 3. So, students, we are going to discuss lesson number 4 today. So, first of all, you have to open your book in front of you. Unit number 2, holographic window, that is from the class 5. So, what is the page number? Check out the page number. Lesson number 4, random colors trick, which is on 34. So, open it. Hurry up, hurry up. Page number 34 in front of you. Yes, okay. So today we are going to discuss about the random colors. We already did graphic window is an object, and we are graphic window is in colorful. In that video, we will change the background like this, but it's a permanent color. Yeah, it means you can say if you are changing the color, you just type here the red color, so it will always show the red color. But now we are discussing the more interesting task, that is every time you will change the color different. Okay, so first you will write here graphic dot window background color, and after that, this is the main command, graphic window dot random color. So see, I'm writing here like this, graphic window dot get random color, and then use close and open bracket. Check the color. Okay, that is almost green color. Okay, now again. Oh, wow, now it's changing. Without giving any type of command, it will change your color randomly. You can see. Yes. Okay. Oh, wow. Now it's working. So student, now what will you do? Take a look. We have the another command, because we have the another command is the same command like graphic window dot pen color. We will change the color of the pen to just write here equal, and the same command you will use graphic window dot random color. So I will use that command and copy the same command in front of this. But I have to show the pen color by using turtle dot move. So turtle dot move and write some steps like 50. And now we don't need this command, so I will raise this. Check out. Every time it will change the color of the background, and every time it will change the color of the pen color too. Take a look again. Yes. Oh, wow. You can see the different color without changing the code. That is the power of random color. Yes. Now you can see. Okay. Now you understand that how you will change the color by randomly in the pen color in the background. So what is the task today? So open your page number 34, and now you can see the task is here. Draw a simple square. However, make the sides of the square change to a different color each time you press run. It means we have different lines. We have different colors on each line. So, is it easy? Okay. Now let's do practice. First, turtle dot move 50. After writing this, I will enter here. The same command I'm using, but before using that command, we have to make a square. A square means you have to turn your turtle dot turn left, and then you are moved turtle 50. Okay, so again, I will use that command to copy. Press here, press. Just testing the code first. See, two different lines. I wanted two different lines because every time you use a get random color of the pen. Because if you are not using that command, it will give you the same color of each line. So first you understand about this. So we need to put here the code. Every time, on every line, we need a different color. So we copy the command here and paste it. Now checking the code. See the two different lines. Oh, wow. Now it's working. So first we will change this command again and again. So I will copy the codes, turtle turning left again, copy. Let's complete the code first. And then here you can see the command. Copy the codes like this. And then paste it. See, the missing bracket is here. Now we will check. Every line will be different. See? Oh, wow. Now I'm using basically command of the background too. Every time it will change the color of every single line and every, you can say, side and background too. So here's the task. So student, this is very simple task. You will understand it. Maybe you have any type of problem, you will just write it in the comment. Inshallah, I will guide you. And if you like my video or understand the topic, you just like the video. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm going to leave and inshallah we will meet you on the next video. Take a very good care about yourself. Meet you in the next video. Take care and Allah Hafiz.